And here it is one iPhone 6 Plus. We will show you how to remove the cracked screen from the LCD. For the deeply cracked screen, it is better to use the tape to put it on the screen, so it will stick the small glass together, which will protect the LCD while you do separation, like this. And cut the extra side. And also you can use the front protect film, it is fine as well, since it can stick the small glass together, it is fine. Okay, and then after you put the sticker on the front side, and then you put it on the hot plate of the semi-automatic LCD separator to let it heat up, and then it will be better for you to remove the base frame. The first step it is for you to cut the base frame, because many people feedback that for iPhone 6 and 6 Plus the base frame is hard to remove. So for these two phones, you can use the knife or the scissor to cut the base frame in pieces and then to take it out. And for the deeply cracked one, it is better to cut it manually. It is better to replace it manually. Otherwise, the steel one will be it can be break very easily. And for the original LCD, it is very easy for you to separate the cracked screen from the LCD. We start cable. And while you do the second round, you can do it quickly. And then take out the LCD by clockwise direction. Do not take it out directly. See, the screen is deeply cracked. And then the second step, then you can use this glue remover machine to remove the glue. And also you can remove the polarizer film together. Because for iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, the polarizer it is just under the glue, so it will get scratched easily. It's better to remove both together. And because iPhone 6 Plus LCD it is very large and thin, so it is better to to remove the polarizer and glue in several parts, so it can better protect the LCD. Otherwise, it will get cracked easily. See the second part. And for this machine, the temperature for it is 200. Or you can set it to 220. It is fine as well. And the third part. Okay. And while you do this process, please watch out that the blade it has very high temperature, so do not make yourself harm by that. And the last part. Okay. So it is finished. See. And then after this process, you will use the liquid to clean the LCD. First one, you will use the small blade to remove the rest of the polarizer on the LCD. While you use the small knife, the razor blade to remove the glue or the polarizer on the LCD, make sure that the blade is in balance so it won't damage the screen. See, and while you use the small blade, make sure that it doesn't damage the flex cable. Do not make it touch the flex cable. Okay, and for this machine, the first step for you it is to make alignment. See, for this bottom part, there are 4 screws here. You will need to adjust these 4 screws to make alignment for the LCD. And this machine it has connect with one vacuum pump. Here it is the pedal which can connect with which can control the vacuum pump. So while you can use your feet to control the vacuum pump button, that will be more easier for you to control the vacuum while you do this operation. Okay, you can see that there is no bubbles.
没泡，直接贴在上面吧，那就对位了。
这里。And the important process for iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, it is to have to use the anti-static glue to do static treatment. If you do not put this anti-static glue, maybe later you will have static problem. And you can see that we just make coat the screw on 2 corners of the LCD, it will be fine. Make sure that it get connect with the polarizer film. And after you complete, let it dry. Okay, it's finished.
等它干，不能放这里吧，贴在上面。
And then we can put the ochre on the glass. So it depends on you. While you put the ochre on glass on the LCD, both are fine. It depends on the operator. If he finds that it is easier to put the ochre on the LCD, then he can continue with that method. But if he finds that it is better to put it on the glass, that is fine also. So it depends. Both methods will have perfect result. So it does not have to do with much difference. Take off the protective film on the outcome very slowly. Okay, you can see that there is no bubbles. Okay, and then the anti-static glue, it is dry already. So we will use a mold, the matte mold that is much accurate than the plastic one. So it is better to use the matte mold to the alignment, which can make more perfect result. Put the LCD on the glass. Okay. Take out another side protective film for the polarizer and also another film for the outcome. And then put the new glass on the LCD. And while you make alignment, make sure that you do not use the finger to press the glass on the LCD, otherwise it will get stuck together and then we have air inside, which will cause that bubble after lamination. Just click the center part and then take it out, will be fine. Like this. And then put it on the OCA vacuum laminator. The OCA vacuum laminator, it is full automatic process. After you put the new glass with LCD in this machine and then click the start button, it will start working for 50 seconds. And after 50 seconds, it will bounce automatically. This machine it will connect with vacuum pump and air compressor. And see here, this is the pressure for lamination. It is 0.2 to 0.3 will be fine. And here it is the lamination pressure, which is between 0.2 to 0.4 as well. And here it is the vacuum degree. It depends directly on the vacuum, the power of the vacuum, which connects to this machine. And now you can see the result. See, it is very beautiful now. Only small little bubbles on the edge, and which will be very easily removed by a bubble removal machine. We can put it on the autoclave bubble removal machine. And for only one screen, you can just adjust the time to 10 minutes will be fine. And the temperature is 40. For the temperature and the time, you can adjust by yourself. It depends on how many screens you put inside the vacuum chamber for the autoclave bubble removal. If you put more than one, like if you put around 20 or 50, you can increase the temperature and the time a little. Okay, now it is 15 minutes, usually 15 minutes. Usually for large screen, it is better to put the temperature to put the time to 15 minutes. And the pressure for the autoclave bubble removal machine, it is usually 0.6 or 0.61, it is fine as well. So it depends on you. And after 15 minutes, we will see what happens. Now 15 minutes, it is gone. Let's see the result for the LCD, the refurbished one. Okay, see. It is just like the original one.
有个灰尘在里面，灰尘，但是可以的。可以吧
Yes. Okay, fine. And the last step, it is you use this base frame laminate machine to laminate the base frame on the LCD. And first you can see that this kind of base frame, it has glue preset on it already. So no need to use any extra sticker or glue on it. And this machine, the temperature for it is 170, and it has mode for both iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 5C, and also 6 and 6 Plus. And just connect it with electricity will be fine. And put the LCD together with the base frame in the mold flatly. And catch out you do not damage the flex cable. Put it in the mold flatly. Okay. And let me push in. Press the handle down for 5 seconds, then you can get it out. And while you take out this, you can see that the temperature on the glass, it is very high, but in the middle side, the temperature it is not high. That means the LCD won't be damaged by the high temperature because there is no temperature in the middle side. And while you get it out, make sure that you can take let the LCD with the frame cool a little and then take it out, because it is kind of the melt glue. If you take it out immediately after you laminate it, the glue may not attach very strongly, so it is better to let it cool a little and then take it out. Okay, and then take it out. You see, the frame it is very tightly. Okay, now this is the full process for you to refurbish iPhone 6 Plus LCD.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. If you have any further concerns, you can connect with us directly.